Hello student, I am Tanmay Mujumdar. In this video I am going to discuss rank correlation. It is also very much well known as a Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. Spearman's correlation coefficient is useful when we need to find the correlation between the two qualitative characteristics such as beauty and intelligence, or maybe the intelligence and efficiency of the salesman. Rank correlation can also be applied to find the level of agreement or disagreement between two judges so far as assessing a qualitative characteristics is concerned. So in this video I will define the formula of rank correlation coefficient and I will solve some mathematical problem so that you can understand the application of this formula. Spearman's rank correlation coefficient is denoting by capital R and the formula is 1 minus 6 summation d square divided by n cube minus n, where d represent the difference of the rank of an individuals in the two characters and n is the number of individuals. The rank correlation coefficient lies between minus 1 and plus 1. It is same as a product moment correlation coefficient. We can write d is equal to R1 minus R2, where R1 representing the rank of the first characteristic, say suppose intelligence, and R2 representing the rank of the second characteristic, say suppose efficiency. In the calculation of rank correlation coefficient from given scores, if several individuals have the same scores in any character, then they must be allotted the same ranks. And we are then concerned with what are known as a tied ranks. In dealing with such cases, the usual way is to allot the average rank to each of these individuals and then apply the another formula, that is R equal to 1 minus 6 summation d square plus summation t cube minus t divided by 12 divided by n cube minus n. Here T denotes the number of individuals involved in a tie, whether in the first or second series. Now let's do some math of Spearman rank correlation coefficient. Problem number 1. Here the math has given in a singing competition, two judges assigned the ranks for 7 candidates, which is displayed in table. Find the Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. The competitors 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 has given. Judge 1, he has given his rank 5, 6, 4, 3, 2, 7, 1, and the judge 2 has given the corresponding rank, that is 6, 4, 5, 1, 2, 7, 3, that has given. Now you will have to find out the Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. So here rank have been assigned directly by two judges. So in order to get the solutions of this problem, you will have to write down the formula of rank correlation coefficient, that is capital R equal to 1 minus 6 summation d square divided by n cube minus n. So here no tie has been occurred in the rank which has given by the judge 1 and judge 2. So definitely that formula means the tied formula we will not applied. We just applied that formula, that is R equal to 1 minus 6 summation d square divided by n cube minus n. So first you have to find out d. Here d represent the difference of the ranks of an individual in the two characters. Here it is number given by the judge 1 and the number given by judge 2. So in order to find out the d, we will have to make some column. That first column we will have to write down the competitors, the number of competitors 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 that I have written, and the next two column R1 and R2 is representing the rank given by the judge 1 and judge 2 respectively. The next column I have written d equal to R1 minus R2. It is representing the difference between the rank given by judge 1 and judge 2. So in that column we just apply the simple mathematical operation, that is 5 minus 6 minus 1, then next 6 minus 4 is 2, then 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Such a way we have make that column. Okay, the next column we have written d square. Under this column we have got minus 1 whole square equal to 1, 2 whole square equal to 4, minus 1 whole square is 1, then 2 whole square is 4, 0 will remain same, 0, 0, again 0 will remain same, and minus 2 whole square will be 4. And we have got the summation d square, that is 14. Clear? Now finally we got the summation d square, so we just put the value of summation d square in the formula. So just write down the formula, r equal to 1 minus 6 summation d square divided by n cube minus n. In the next line I have written 1 minus 6 into 14 divided by 7 cube minus 7. Why it is 7? Because the total number of the competitors here, it is 7, means total number of observation is representing the n. Clear? And after doing the all mathematical operation, now we get the answer, that is 0.75. So the value of Spearman's rank correlation coefficient R is 0.75. Clear? Now come to the another type of math where the rank is not directly been assigned. Okay, see this math. In this math, in a certain examination, 5 students obtained the following marks in mathematics and physics. Find the Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. So here the number of student has given and the corresponding marks of mathematics, that is 16, 14, 18, 10, 2 has given, and the corresponding marks of physics, that is given 8, 14, 12, 16, 20 has given, but no rank has been assigned. So in order to get the solutions, you will have to write down the formula first, that is Spearman's rank correlation coefficient, R equal to 1 minus 6 summation d square divided by n cube minus n. So you will have to find out d. So in order to get d, you will have to make some column. So first column, that is the student, A, B, C, D, E, the 5 student has given, and the number of mathematics that has given, that column you have make, that is 16, 14, 18, 10, 2, and the number of physics that has given, that column 8, 14, 12, 16, 20 I have written, and in the next column I have written the rank of mathematics. In that column I have assigned rank on the basis of the marks they have got in mathematics. So in mathematics the highest rank has obtained by student C, that is 18. So I have assigned him as a rank 1. Then the second highest has obtained by student A. So I have assigned him as a second rank. And the third highest has got by student B, so I have assigned him as a rank 3. So such a way I have assigned rank to the all student in subject mathematics. Similarly, I have assigned rank to all student according to the marks they have got in physics. So in the next column I have written D equal to, you know already, the difference between the rank 1 and rank 2 means R1 minus R2. So you have got the all values of the D. Then the next column I have written D square. So we have got all the values of D square, means minus 3 whole square is 9, then the 0 is 0, then minus 3 whole square again 9, 2 whole square is 4, and 4 whole square is 16, and adding all the D square value we have got summation D square, that is 38. Now putting the value of summation D square, that is 38, and the value of n, that is 5, we get the value of Spearman's correlation coefficient is minus 0.9. So we can say the relationship between the marks obtained of mathematics and the physics by the student is very high and inverse. So I hope everybody understand the Spearman rank correlation coefficient. In the next video I will explain the tied rank, where there is a tie between the ranks, means if several individuals have the same score or same marks in any characters, and they must be allotted the same ranks. So definitely in that case we will have to apply this formula, where R equal to 1 minus 6 summation D square plus summation T cube minus T divided by 12 divided by N cube minus N. So it is a little bit of difficult to find out the value of R. So in my next video I will discuss this formula in details with mathematical explanation. So don't miss my next video. Okay, that's it.